Windows updates take so long to complete. Although it's very frustrating, you are definitely not the only one to experience these problems. Many other users have reported the very same issue. More importantly, you should be able to fix this issue pretty easily. Now, here's a few commands that will help you to fix your Windows problem issue, but there's a lot of solutions. Might be if these solutions are not working for you, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll make further a long tutorial for you to fix this issue. Now, a few steps you can do here. The first is very simple and very easy. Just click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings and then update and security. Find here the troubleshoot, click on it, and then you need to go into the additional troubleshooters and find here the Windows update. Just run the Windows troubleshooter and it will automatically detect the problem and fix it for you. But in case if this method is not working, then let's move on the second method, reset Windows update component. There is a lot of services are running for the Windows update, so we are gonna reset those services. The first, you need to click on the Windows icon, then type here the cmd and then run as administrator. After running the command prompt, you need to type here a few commands that will help you to fix your problem. Net stop bits, hit enter. If in case the background intelligence transfer service is not started, it's okay, don't worry about this. Type the second one, net stop wuauserv, hit enter. Now one more command you need to type here, net stop appidsvc, hit enter. If this service is not running too, then just ignore it. Last command you need to type here, the net stop cryptsvc, hit enter. I guess yes, net stop cryptsvc. That's it. Now we need to do here few things. Just go into the explorer, C drive, users, Windows, and then find here the software redistribution folder, this one. Just open it and delete all this. That's it. Now we need to re-enable those commands, those services actually, with commands start bits, again net start wuauserv. You can also restart your PC if you don't like to apply these commands again. Net start. That's it. Now type exit and restart your PC and your problem will be fixed 100%. One more thing you can do here, you can update your drivers. Yes, most common reason is drivers. If drivers are corrupted or outdated, then you can face this problem. So you need to update your drivers. You can download the drivers from the official website or just simply download the CC Cleaner trial version that will allow you to update your drivers. CC Cleaner, go on the official website. If you search it on Google search engine, you will get on the top. Once you open here the CC Cleaner, you need to go with the trial version. Now you need to find here the trial version. Just go here. Now there's two options. The one is get CC Cleaner Pro and the second the first one is download free version. Click on the free version, you will get here the 3 packages. You need to go with the trial version and this will allow you to update your drivers. After updating your drivers, just uninstall the CC Cleaner, restart your PC and your problem will be fixed 100%. If still you are facing any kind of issue, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll respond to you as soon as possible for me. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.